Hi, it's Sam here from AC Solar Warehouse. Just like to take a minute to show you our Sigenergy custom gateways. This is a product we design and manufacture ourselves. We've got an amazing engineering team that guides us through how to build all these. So these units use high quality switchgear all throughout. We can customize whatever breakers you need here. In this unit we've got a grid generator and a alternative load here. We can do any number and any size main switches you need. Also here we can add in as many inverters as you require. Just let us know what your specific requirements are. We'll be sure to accommodate, no problem. So this is a custom gateway on-grid. It's a 3-phase unit. This is an off-grid 3-phase unit. Then over here we have a custom gateway. It's custom because we've added in our own circuit breakers and a contactor. We can do whatever you need in these units. We can also put them in their own enclosure. Whatever your requirements are, we can sort out. These units here are all live tested in our manufacturing plant, so you can be sure that your unit is going to work spot on when it gets delivered to site. Thanks.